Welcome to Dentist Dojo. My name is Q Harper, and we are getting into some more breaking. We're going to be doing a back rock, which is the opposite of our forward rock. We're going to pair those two together to get it real funky. Okay, so let's go ahead. Let's get breaking. All right, guys. So we are adding to our top rock steps. Did our forward rock. Now we are adding our back rock. To me, it has a little more style to it, and you'll see in a minute. Let's get into it. The setup is exactly the same as your front rock. You start off, boom, bouncing to the center. And then from here, we're going to start off with the right foot. As you would go with your forward rock, you go across your body to the front. You're going to do that same lean, same style, but you're going to cross your body to the back. Okay. And you're not doing a super cross to like make it go straight over there. And you're not going straight to the back. You're going to go somewhere right in the middle to where it angles. And I'm still leaning, kind of leaning into it a little bit, but my weight is still in the middle. So I can lift this foot up without falling. Okay, I can't, however, lift this foot up. Not really, because that's where my weight is. All right, so if I come back, center, back, center, back, my weight is still in the middle. So when I come back to my center, that should be an easy transition. All right. The arms still apply your basic swing. Okay. You may see me do a little bit of a twist in my front foot when I do this. 1, 2. Notice that little because my weight is on my toes, that makes it really easy for me to adjust my weight. So I may twist a little bit. That's more of a stylistic thing. So you can throw it in there, but you don't have to. I'm going to walk it, doing it both ways. One without the twist and one with the twist. Okay. 5, 6, 7 without. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now twist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It just feels really natural to me, and I like the way it flows. So you can try it, or you can be basic. Do what you want to do. So walking it, and you're just bouncing off your toes. Bounce. Don't put your foot all the way down. Okay? You're just right on those toes. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. So our arms, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, bow. Let's get used to that basic motion with music. And then we're going to add them arms. Let's go ahead and run this with music. I'm going to count you in, count you through. 1-8 count, slow. Here we go. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1. All right, guys, so here we go. We're going to crank it up. We're going to go at speed, rocking to our beats, counting you in and through. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cool. All right, guys. So we got our basic rock, basic arms. Now it's time to add some variety with those arms. So like we did with our front rock, I gave you a few different arm suggestions. If you don't know what to do, you do have your boom, ba, boom, ba. But you can also throw in that roll, throw in the cool guy, throw in the I see you, throw in some points. Let's just walk it first and get used to using those arms. Okay. Now it will help, like whatever it is you decide to do, hit that position when your foot hits the ground. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Whatever my rock step is, I'm usually hitting my position at the same time that my feet are hitting their destination. That way, I don't get thrown off my beat. I stay on beat the whole time. Okay, so don't let your hands throw you off your rhythm. All right, here we go. Walking it slow, no music. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. All right, y'all, here we go. We're rolling slow, adding those arms, getting used to just adding that variety to our dance. Counting you in, counting you through. Remember, we're going slow first. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Boom. That felt good. Here we go. We're cranking it up. Going to speed. 2/8 counts. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. I'm doing it again, but this time we're running it without me counting you through. I'm just going to count you in. Let's go. Let's feel it out. Listen to your music. 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. You are dope. You are awesome. Make sure you practice these moves so you continue to be awesome and get awesomer. Combine your forward rock and your back rock. Try to rock it out so it feels fluent. Okay? And do your thing. Do us a favor. I would like you to record yourself practicing these dance moves and to make sure you post it on whatever social you're on and tag us at Dancers Dojo. Laters.